Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy from Toronto again, doing the YouTube thing. I'm here with my Tornado EPXPRO by Red Cat Racing. You might have seen a couple of videos I've done with this thing. Only thing I've done with this is the light mod. You guys might have seen that night run I did a little while back. That's all I've done with this. I've done some off-roading, some on-roading, but I've never got around to getting on-road tires. You know, these tires are pretty good, pretty sturdy. Never had any issues with this. But I finally went and got me some on-road tires. Bam! You guys already saw the intro, so you already seen it. But hey, bam! Anyways, so these are the Bandito ST by Duratrax. Very good tires, very soft. Didn't have to do any gluing or anything, you know. High performance tires, a little pricey. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys, but you know, from what I've heard, these are pretty awesome tires. So I'm gonna put the other two on and take this thing out for a run on road. All right, guys. Alright, so these things look awesome, man. Oh yeah. Can't wait to take this thing out for a run. How fat these tires are. Whew. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the channel. And I'll definitely take this thing for a spin. Alright, thanks for watching.